of this creek. Oh, I love, love, love it. Alrighty, well, we're heading out of this spot, putting the top down, packing up camp. And we're heading just a little bit up trail to another spot that I was introduced to by Brian off Off-Grid Backcountry Adventures, and I stayed at last year with Brian and Timmy, Truck House Life. I don't have service here and I'll have service there. So that's pretty neat. I'll be able to catch up on some things. So let's mob on out. This thing seriously drives good off-road. It's a lot of fun. Like, I don't have to go nearly as slow as I did in the Dodge Mahal. And this feels good, you guys. And this is a bumpy road. It's not technical, but it's rocky. This thing's so much fun. Oh, there's our camp spot. I didn't even have to look at the map. I know it. That's the one that I stayed at last year with Brian and Timmy. So fingers crossed nobody's down there. We won't know until we know, until we're down there. So let's go down there. In them from that puddle. Doesn't look like anybody's here though. I'm so stoked to be here. Real tight spot though. This spot has some scenic views. So what was really cool about what we did today on the trail is that was all new. What we did yesterday was all new. And now from here, from this camp spot, and then headed towards Silverton and Ouray, further in the San Juans, it's all, I've done it all before. So it's really fun to do some new stuff on the pass on the way in from, basically came from the south side instead of the north side. And yeah, now this will be all repeat and reminiscing, and when I came through here with the rooftop tent. And now I got a camper and life just feels a whole lot different. Like, I have interior space and I can go in here and edit and do everything, no matter what's going on outside, no matter what Mother Nature is doing and the weather's doing. And sometimes it's doing crazy stuff. Sometimes it's beautiful and you want to spend all day outside. But I love how I don't have to hold the button like I used to in the Dodge Mahal. I used to think it was cool to have it on a remote. It's really cool to just press it and know that it's going to go to the right point. So yeah, this is my electric lift, roof lift system on my Bison Overland campers. It's been working great. Sitting here alone, well, with Coda too, eating some pita, hummus, and some bitchin' sauce. Love this sauce. Watching alone.
On Netflix.
Heard something big out there.
So that's fun. Because these guys don't have a camper, and I do. So that's fun. Oh, mirror. My mirror for the day. We're having fun.
I put the awning out just to shade this wall of the camper. Oh no! There's a tree. Man, I've been that.
This is so weird, you guys. Look what I just found over here. This hole in the ground. It's like a perfect hole. Oh my goodness. It looks like a swamp in there. Oh, that's so gross. Oh my. What in the world? There's like a whole other world down there. It's like the upside down. Oh, it's a gate. Ah, we gotta get out of here. Just kidding. Oh.
I'm gonna change my shirt too. I really ride out the laundry situation. 'Cause I hate doing laundry. It's the worst thing on the road, but yeah. You guys are probably wondering. Don't worry, I'll change it. I'm gonna use a shower pouch. I'm gonna try cucumber because I want to be refreshed. Wow. Wow. I feel so refreshed. Wow. All right, now that I'm all cool as a cucumber, I'm gonna set up my hammock. And I don't have my Adventure Hammock Systems mount, but these two trees will work. Well, it's still pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. Not too bad. Did you see how pretty it is here? Holy cow.
Yep. Did you see how cool this spot down here is too? Look how neat this is. Log to chop. Rock to sit. Fire pit to have a fire.
Pretty chill. The only question is, are you down to mob?